Student, today we study electric potential. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of my latest videos. Before going to this topic, let's know about electric field. The reason around a charged body within which it influenced by another charge is known as electric field. Here is a one charge positive and here is another charge negative. This influence toward this charge due to opposite charge, the region around these charges is known as electric field. Now electric potential, it is denoted by V. The formula for electric potential is V equals to W upon Q. Here W is work done and Q is charge and V is electric potential. This is formula for electric potential. From formula we write the definition. It is defined as work done per unit charge, that is known as potential. Or another definition, work done in a moving unit positive charge from infinity to that point in the electric field, that is electric potential. Unit of potential is volt, which is denoted by V, and derived unit is for work we use joule and for charge we use coulomb. Joule per coulomb, it is derived unit for electric potential. Now we define 1 volt. From this formula, 1 volt, for work done we use 1 joule and for charge use 1 coulomb. So it is defined when 1 joule of work done in moving 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to that point in electric field, that is known as 1 volt. Electric potential is a scalar quantity. Now have another look of smaller unit of potential, that is 1 millivolt and another 1 microvolt. In case of milli we use 10 raised to power minus 3 volt and in case of micro we use 10 raised to power minus 6 volt. We can measure potential with the help of a device, that is voltmeter. Now voltmeter is a high resistance device, so we connected in a circuit voltmeter in series. We connect in parallel. High resistance device connected in parallel because it is a high resistance device. If we connect in series, it break down the circuit. That's why we connect in parallel of a circuit. This is the symbol for the voltmeter. Now ideal voltmeter resistance is infinite. Now least count of voltmeter. Least means minimum. The minimum value on the voltmeter is known as least count. Let there be 10 division. So 10 division equal to 1 volt. Now 1 division equals to 1 by 10 volt. So least count be 0.1 volt. Okay student, now discuss about potential difference. As we know, potential means work done per unit charge. Now we study about difference. Difference means difference between 2 points. Here we consider a battery. As you all know, here in battery 2 sign, here is positive and here is negative. This is A point and this is B point. Now we connect a wire both the ended. Here potential is positive, here is negative. So difference from this point to this point is known as potential difference. Difference from 2 points, so we can write del V. This represent change of potential. Now VA minus VB, this is potential difference and potential is work done per unit charge. This represent potential difference. This is defined as work done per unit charge moving a unit positive charge from B point to A point, that is known as potential difference. We use same unit in potential difference as we use in potential, that is volt, and it is also a scalar quantity. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.